best lehenga, best makeup, best reel ideas, best wedding hashtags, all cool. Everyone is telling you on how to look perfect on your wedding day, but nobody's telling you on what happens to all that money if things don't go as planned. Indians spend twice as much as on a single wedding as on 18 years of their child's education. 36 lakhs on average, and sometimes crores. And if one thing goes wrong, that money is just gone. When you cancel last minute, caterer takes the advance and disappears. Jewelry gets stolen during the function. Bride or groom falls seriously ill just 2 days before the wedding. And what is your backup plan? For most Indian families right now, there isn't one. So, what is it? And that's exactly where the wedding insurance comes in. It protects your wedding expenses if something unexpected goes wrong. Think of it as a safety net for everything that you have already paid for. But your next question would be, what does it cover? A good policy covers a venue cancellation or postponement, vendor failure, loss or theft of jewelry during the event, damage to decor or property, accidents to key family members, and even third-party liability. So if a guest gets food poisoning during the wedding, you are protected there too. But the very most important question is, and where most people skip this part, and they really should not, what it doesn't cover. You have changed your mind about the wedding? Not covered. Knew about a problem before you bought the policy? Not covered. Paid vendors in cash with no written contract? Very difficult to claim. And here's the one that surprises actually everyone. Your own jewelry, that pieces you already owned before the wedding, they're likely excluded. Wedding insurance typically only covers jewelry that was gifted by relatives and in-laws during the event. So read the policy document clearly. Ask your insurer specifically about this detail. The policy covers your entire wedding period from the first function to the last, and the best time to buy it is the day you make your very first advance payment, not a week before the wedding. By then you have already committed lakhs with zero protection. Now let's talk about the cost. As for the cost, 0.5% to 2% of your total wedding budget. So if a wedding budget is about 3 lakh, you will be about or asked to pay around 15,000. Now the very important question is, so if the wedding insurance exists in India, is regulated by IRDAI, and it isn't even that expensive, why do families are still not buying? And that's exactly what we are going to cover in part 2. So stay tuned for Beyond Numbers with Drishti for the upcoming part of the series of Band Baaja insurance. If you like this information, just let me know in the comments and I can plan to make some more detailed videos discussing about the inclusion and exclusion about wedding insurance.